Hey. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hmm. Today we are going to draw a cute and easy rooster, the early morning alarm of nature, but much more handsome than your phone alarm. But wait, today's drawing also has a small heart-touching story. Okay, let's start. One little Rooster in a village was very shy because his voice was not loud like other roosters. Every morning he tried to crow, but only a tiny coo sound came out. The other animals laughed at him. One day he decided not to give up. He woke up earlier than everyone and tried again and again. Slowly his voice became stronger, and soon he was the one who woke up the whole village with confidence. So today, as we draw this cute rooster, remember, even small efforts can create big confidence. Yes, now grab your happiness, your pen, paper, and big smile. Let's start drawing magic together. And guys, wow, look at your beautiful rooster. So cute, so confident, and ready to wake up the whole world. Just like our little rooster story, keep practicing your art every day. Even small drawings can make you stronger and happier. If your rooster looks funny, stylish, or super sleepy, that's perfect because art is all about fun. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy and magical drawings. Keep drawing, keep smiling, and remember your creativity should always crow loudly like our brave little rooster. Okay, guys, see you in the next happy drawing adventure. Till then, bye bye, and cuckoo.